Hello everybody, warm welcome back to my channel and to my garden. Yaje here, super excited to be sharing another gardening video with you. Today's video is going to be about the Scentleaf, what is known as the Scentleaf. I wanted to share with you updates on how the Scentleaf is doing, and also we are going to harvest some seeds. If you don't know what the Scentleaf is, other names for it are the African basil, holy basil, tulsivana, and the botanical name is Ocimum gratissimum. Yeah, I think that's the botanical name. The Yoruba people know it as efirin. The Igbo people know it as nchanwu, and in Cameroon, where I'm originally from, it is known as masepo. As far as the culinary uses, we use it to flavor many dishes, such as jollof rice, such as pepper soup, such as different types of porridge. You know, porridge is just a one-pot dish of either plantains or yams, and when I'm talking about yams, I mean Dioscorea, the tuber. So yeah, it has different culinary uses. In Cameroon, people use masepo, which is this Scentleaf, to make a mixture that they use as an enema to pump, and it is believed to cleanse the system and help heal. So yeah, it has several different uses. It's a culturally meaningful herb to these people in Cameroon and in West Africa. So this year I decided to grow it in my backyard, and I would say that it did very well. One thing you should know about growing Scentleaf is that it is extremely heat loving. It likes the heat, so if you try growing it during the winter, you might really struggle. And the seeds also like light to germinate. Just some things to think about, okay? But if you satisfy these conditions, your Scentleaf will germinate. I've been growing it for about since March, 6 months now. It has produced a bunch of flowers and seeds, and they are ready to be harvested. So let me show you. So guys, this is the Scentleaf masepo. I got the seeds for this one from True Love Seeds. This is how it looks like. This one is about to produce flowers, as you can see. So when you cut the leaf and you crush it, let's see, it's very aromatic, very nice. And this is the flower head of the Scentleaf, this one. So there are seeds in here that we are going to harvest. When it's still green like this, the seeds are not mature. The seeds are going to be in the brown flower head. Okay, so these are all the Scentleafs that I have in the garden. It can grow quite tall, but I've been harvesting, so that's what we have. If this information is adding value to you, kindly consider clicking on that thumbs up button. Thank you so much for your encouragement and your support. To harvest the Scentleaf seeds, you want to allow the seed heads to dry on the plant, and then we are going to cut the stalks below the lowest seed cluster. So tribe, this is what we have. I am going to let this dry completely. I will put it on a tray, and then all of the moisture is going to evaporate, after which I am then going to collect the seeds by just whacking the seed heads so that the seeds can fall to the bottom. If you want to grow the Scentleaf in your garden and you are in the United States, I am going to put some links in the description box of where you can buy the seeds. If you're looking for the seeds to buy, I will share some links in the description box. You can check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Until next time, bye-bye.